If you want to connect to the internet, you can always turn on your cellular data from one SIM card at a time. But what happens when that network fails you, or even when it can't just deliver a strong connection? Alright, so in that case, can you combine two or more SIM cards and even Wi-Fi connections into one single, fast and reliable connection? The answer is yes, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before we begin, why do you need this? Number one, if you experience poor internet connectivity, merging multiple connections gives you one strong and fast connection. And number two, whether you are streaming, joining a live show, or gaming, the last thing you want is for your network to drop and leave you stranded. Combining multiple connections means that if one network drops out, the others keep you online uninterrupted. Okay. Alright, so now that you know this, let me walk you through how to combine your mobile and Wi-Fi connections to get stronger internet connectivity. Okay, right. So first of all, let's open our Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go ahead and open the App Store. You will get it there also. Okay. So once we are here, we're going to search for Speedify VPN. Okay, it is right here. I'm going to click on it, and then I already have this one installed on my phone, so go ahead and install it. And then the next thing we do is to click on the open button, and this will bring us to the first time interface. So once you're here, just click on the blue button, agree and continue. Okay, right. So now click on continue again. So you can go ahead and create an account, but we are going to use the free package. So you can just look for the close button at the top left corner and click on it to close this interface, and then it will bring you straight to your free account. So once you're here, there are a lot of settings we can do, but for this video we are going to leave everything default and it's going to work perfect for us. Okay, all right. So now the next thing to do is to activate your multiple connections, so Speedify can detect them and combine them into one single connection for you. So now Speedify is an app designed to merge multiple internet sources into one seamless, powerful connection. It uses channel bonding technology to combine cellular data, Wi-Fi, and even Ethernet connections into a single, fast, and reliable stream. Okay, right. So whether you are using two SIM cards, one SIM and Wi-Fi, or even three or more connections, Speedify optimizes them for maximum speed and stability. Okay, right. So now on your mobile device, you can turn on your data, select the SIM card that you want to use. I'm using MTN, so I'll select my SIM 1 and then turn the data on. Right, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my Wi-Fi here. I have one other SIM card that is my Vodafone slotted into my Wi-Fi device, so I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi device. This is my Wi-Fi device, Sherman Mobile. It is also connected. Okay, right. So now I have two connections here. I have one SIM in my phone, and then I have another SIM card in my Wi-Fi. So now it is good to combine different networks. Let's say I'm using MTN SIM card in my phone, and then I have Vodafone SIM card in my Wi-Fi device. Okay, in this case, you are combining two different networks here that might have a different strength. So you're combining these two into one single network. Okay, all right. The next thing is Speedify to do its work. Okay, it is going to automatically detect my Wi-Fi device and also my cellular data from my phone, and then I will do the combining automatically for me. Okay, you can see the interface here. I have my Wi-Fi device as the first one. It is right here, and I also have my cellular data. It is right here. Okay, right. So you can see Speedify has detected them automatically. So the next thing to do, it is very simple. So you can see the slide button at the top right here. So you just need to slide it to the right to turn it on, so that Speedify will go ahead and then combine the two networks for us. Okay, so I'm going to slide it on here, and it's just going to take some few seconds to combine both my MTN and Vodafone SIM cards connections for me. Okay, and bam, and that is it. It has combined them and it's successfully connected. I'm just going to click on OK to close this window. All right, I don't want to set data cap, so just no. It is good to allow for notifications, so click on allow again, and then you are done. Okay, All right, so you can see the signal here. I am connected. It has combined both my MTN in my phone and then my Telecel SIM card from the Wi-Fi into one single connection. All right, so that is all you need to do. So you can now go ahead and use this single connection to stream or watch your videos and then game online without internet disruptions. All right, so here's what you do with your combined connection. So you can stream in high quality without buffering, and you're gonna enjoy seamless gaming without lag. Or now that you have stronger internet connectivity, you can download large files faster than ever, and you can stay connected during video calls even if one network drops. Okay, all right, so with your free account, Speedify gives you 2 gig every month to use for free. Okay, now so if this 2 gig runs out within the month, then you have to wait for the next month to receive another 2 gig to be able to continue to combine multiple connections. Okay, but so don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing tips, and drop a comment below if you have tried Speedify, and let me know how it works for you. So hope to see you in the next video, and then goodbye for now.